Today I'm going to talk about why it can be dumb to lift the suspension of a vehicle.
I've gotten a ton of requests about this truck lifting video. This, along with the boxer engine video, which I'll get to eventually. But really, his video on lifted trucks, it extends to a bigger problem. Scotty dumping all over his customers and viewers. This seems to be a customer's truck, and while he's working on it, he makes a video about how dumb it is to have one. He does the same with his Mercedes customer. In almost every video, he tells a story about a customer doing something that he thinks is stupid. I don't know about you, but if my mechanic made public videos and told stories about me, I wouldn't be too stoked. So I'm going to use this video as an example.
Today I'm going to talk about why it can be dumb to lift the suspension of a vehicle.
Did you catch that? Why it can be dumb. He gives himself an out by saying it can be. What is Scotty, a lawyer? It sounds like lawyers speak to me. Slam! Chill out, Scotty.
I'll use a Chevy pickup as an example.
You should clarify. Your dumb customer's Chevy pickup, right?
But by lifting it, you start to change all the angles of the steering and the drive shafts and the transmission.
Well, his main point is that lifting a truck throws off the balance and causes unnecessary wear. That's why I really like this comment. Check this out. This user James Staggs left this comment. You need to make a video on why it's a bad idea to just toss the tailgate of your truck open like I did in a video one time. Let me ruin the ending for you. It's going to bend the tailgate. And another one, George Marshall said, it's dumb starting your truck. It wears out the engine. Scotty seems to think that the only reason people buy cars is to get max MPG out of it while they're driving to get their oil changed. Scotty, do you know another reason to buy a car?
Scotty doesn't know. Oh, Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know.
And realize that tires with more aggressive patterns like these will also get worse gas mileage from the extra friction they create going down the road. And most of these vehicles already got low enough gas mileage, you don't want to make it any worse.
Truth is, if you enjoy your vehicle enough to invest in a lift kit, MPG rating probably isn't your top concern.
So raising the vehicle often causes the tires to wear out faster. It's bad enough that these big tires cost more money, you don't want them wearing out faster too.
Those truck tires shouldn't be wearing like that. This truck owner just needs a good alignment, I think. And if it is from the lift kit, it's just because it wasn't installed properly. Regardless, the truck needs an alignment. Well, let's go back to what he said about those tires.
And realize that tires with more aggressive patterns like these will also get worse gas mileage from the extra friction they create going down the road.
Again, people don't just care about MPG. The owner of this truck didn't drop all that money just to get to work. He has a lifted truck and trail tires for a reason. Let's see. Texas, lifted truck, mud tires. What could he possibly be doing? But then Scotty starts to get into real drunk uncle territory.
And raising it up can also make the drive shafts wear out faster.
Take your time, Uncle Scotty.
I've seen many drive shafts fall off on these race cars.
What?
On these race cars. On these race cars.
A race car? Scotty, go back inside, finish your whiskey, warm up, start again tomorrow.
And in a worst case scenario, I've seen them where the rear shaft of the transmission actually broke off.
Anyway, most people know that they're stressing their drive shaft when they lift the truck. But also, most people know that you can buy axle shims and decrease the angle of the drive shaft and almost return it to a normal position.
And of course, jacking it up higher makes it harder to work under the hood. You're going to need a ladder to get in there.
So I think this is the real crux of most of his videos. I have a theory that Scotty just hates anything he doesn't like to do. He doesn't like to work on. So he has to climb to work on a lifted truck? Dumb. He doesn't understand Mercedes?
Retarded.
Scotty, he's set in his ways. He doesn't really want to change anything. That's pretty obvious. You know, I can't really say that I blame him. If he has been doing it for 50 years, what he does, it works, you know, he has his customer base. More power to him, but I just don't like him putting out that advice that's not very good to the public, and some people just don't know or don't understand. But, you know, there's one other thing that's been bothering me. You know those cars at the beginning of the videos that he does the burnout with? I don't think those are his cars, and I wonder if they're customers' cars. And then I wonder if the customers know that he's doing that with their cars. I'm just gonna throw that out there. I'm not sure one way or the other that he does, but another thing that's really funny is, check this out.
Today I'm going to talk about burnouts.
That's right, Mr. Rev Up Your Engines himself has a whole video about why not to do burnouts.
It's bad for your vehicle. It's going to wear out the tires, put undue strain on your transmission, if you're rear wheel drive on the differential, and if you have a standard transmission, of course, it's going to eat up the clutch.
I suppose that's why you never do it in your own car, in your own Toyota Celica. You always pick other people's cars to do it. But I just think it's hilarious that he has a whole video about why not to do burnouts, but in every single one of his videos, pretty much, he does a burnout at the beginning. And he does it in several different cars. It's not just one car, it's not just one take. So, Okay, so I've almost hit 1,000 subscribers. I told myself if I ever hit that mark, I would start taking this channel a little bit more seriously. So yeah, we're about to hit 1,000. I'm gonna go out, get a decent microphone, and start making a little bit higher quality videos, I guess, for you guys. So I really appreciate it. It's been fun. It's been fun reading the comments and seeing the discussion. So I appreciate it. Keep it up, and remember to like, subscribe, and you know, throw some comments down there. Let's talk. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.